Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to use your Wise digital card in Japan. So if this is something that you want to be able to do, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So to be able to use it, you need to firstly, of course, make sure that on the cards tab in here, that you actually have an active card so that you haven't freezed it, for example. So now when you know that you actually have an active card, you will be able to see down below here where it says added to Apple Wallet. I've already added the card to Apple Wallet, as you can see, but if you haven't yet done it, you will be able to see it underneath right here. So just click on it. And by the way, Google Pay should also be an option for you, just so you know if you're using an Android. So now I'm going to show you if I double click here on my mobile on the power button 2 times, I will be able to see the card right here. So the only thing I have to do now in Japan is to basically go into a store, and most stores should of course accept Visa cards. As you can see, this is a Visa card. So just go into the store, and then when they ask you to pay, you're just going to simply take your phone and scan it on their like card reader, you know. And yeah, that is basically exactly how to use it.